Restormel Machine in Lostwithiel, let me get that right, which is in Cornwall.
Yes, absolutely, yes.
That's a good start, we got that right. Now,
Yes.
what have you got on board?
What I've got on board? Citizen L32.
Why?
12. Why? Increase, well, it's time to upgrade. Increase efficiency, reliability. Citizen, obviously being a familiar name, it was a go-to machine. And it was time for us to move on in our sliding head capacity.
So you did previously have two L32s from Citizen.
Yes, indeed, yes.
And good workhorses, and they served you well.
22 years we've had them, no problems. So, absolutely.
But a bit of a change because obviously, 22 years, technology and things have moved on. What differences have you seen?
Well, obviously we spec this one very differently. We've got more tooling configuration, more power tools, bigger capacity. So working envelope's a lot bigger.
Which is, just looking here with the windows down as well, it's a huge envelope.
Absolutely, much better. Yeah. I think they've made big improvements in its usability, definitely. But for us, it was all about more spec, bigger spec, and efficiency, definitely.
So driven tooling. Main spindle and sub-spindle?
Main spindle, sub-spindle, and we've got the B-axis as well. Right. So we can pretty much power tool in every conceivable orientation.
Okay. And L32, so 32mm bar. Do you go non-guide bush and go a bit larger at all?
We've got the 38mm capacity on this machine, so obviously it's an L32, but we upgraded to the increased capacity of 38mm because there's a couple of jobs we had in mind, and we haven't used it as of yet, but we certainly will be in the near future.
And big fans of Mitsubishi control, I understand, and the Alcart Wizard that goes with it.
Absolutely, definitely, yeah. I mean, Mitsubishi, very reliable control. The Alcart Wizard, very user-friendly. When you want to do complex bits, the job we're doing today, quite a complex part. The Alcart Wizard just makes it easy.
A lot of people are talking about LFE, it's on the tips of their, tools, which is a very bad pun, I'm afraid, but you haven't gone that option.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't feel we need it, so we thought we'd, suck it and see what we got. We decided to go with the high-pressure coolant instead. But
that's a good alternative, though.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely, yeah. I mean, you get very good swarf control with the high-pressure coolant. We felt for us it was one or the other.
Okay. Now, I think key to this, and it's a great story, is the fact that, onshoring. So tell us about what's happened with getting work back from overseas.
Okay. I'm ashamed to say, we lost a lot of work, over the last few years to overseas. Just simply couldn't compete. I think us and many other people have found the same thing. In introducing this machine into our capacity now, we're doing existing work a lot quicker, in the region of about 20-25% quicker. That's given us the confidence to go back and tender for business that we have lost, and we have won based on the acquisition of this Citizen.
Right, so you might not be still as cheap as overseas, but with the whole service.
Absolutely not. We're never going to be as cheap as overseas. I don't know how they do it. We can't compete. But my opinion is, if I can get somewhere and I can get someone near it, the difference is the company behind it. So Restormel Machine Limited, I think that we're worth at least 10 to 15% more than the overseas suppliers. But I'm pleased to say the Citizen that we bought has hoovered up the 25%.
And you've got some components here. You're going to have to hold them in. Do you want me to hold them, in fact? Because you've only got one hand, because you might notice the sharp among you might notice that someone's had a little accident, broken hand. So this part, first of all, relatively straightforward.
Pretty straightforward part, to be honest with you. I mean, the lad that we put on the machine, we didn't want to drop in the deep end, so we kept it simple. This is a job that we've been doing for 25 years. We're a dual supplier to the Far East, but we currently do this. We manufacture this at 1 minute per piece on another machine. We put this on this machine, we're now manufacturing this at 43 seconds a piece. What that's done for me as a company, or us as a company, is it's encouraged the customer to invite us into tender for the annual usage of all the Far Eastern supply.
Right. But that's a big, around 25% of I'm working my maths correctly there, or near abouts. How have you been able to bring that cycle time down? What is different and what?
I think in general, the machine is obviously a modern machine, so naturally it's quicker. You would expect it to be. I think with the way we've spec'd the machine and what Citizen have brought to us, just the configuration of the tooling has enabled us to look at different ways of doing existing jobs. Okay. I think it's down to that.
Okay. Another example here, I'll give you that. Now you haven't actually started machining this yet, so we won't quite cycle times, but.
Well, this particular job is, we took this to Citizen. We currently make this on our VMCs at the moment. This is done in 3 operations. A ballpark cycle time is about 35 to 40 minutes per unit. We've taken this to Citizen. Our customer wants to ramp up production by approximately 70%, and we would never keep up. So we are going to be putting this on our L32, and we would anticipate 50–60% reduction in cycle time, absolutely.
So making that on a VMC, I mean, that's got sliding head written all over it.
It's
So
got sliding head written all over it, and not only, you know, it's we don't pick it up 3 times. Right now, it's very labour intensive. In and out of a VMC 3 times, that's a lot of time lost. Not to mention the unattended production that we're seeing out of the Citizen.
brilliant. That's a great story, great endorsement of Citizen and how
Definitely,
it's helping UK manufacturing win work back from overseas.
We've won back. I mean, it was only very recent. You know, we lost a supply of a family of parts. It was only in October last year, and we've already brought that back. We've received the order. Happy days.
Excellent. Happy days. There you go, Citizen Restormel Machine, cutting edge of technology. Thank you.
Absolutely, yeah.